information we are information so eba na yama ahwefo na abusafo ina so etimate e wo sefetive so Samba O'Neil abetodwa se was sign pre contract e dia ma Sekunene FC or join Mohammed Kamara e wo ho media because of how foreigners na ba amade Kotoko nti I will always opt say even more friend donzo cry sign 2 years na that now wabo 1 year no cry ampo say boy no motono omontono nko na mnya bika because they cannot come from their various teams at number bo season na pepe abra amoma Kotoko enya faso bia ambaji dollars nya ade in fact many J Patrick Achee do steps are what taken ho because with my high personal trainer say boy no dey personal training or yeah adakwaja achi training we are not koye no ankasa personal training achi say no koye man na say on Patrick Achee do start boy flopeda personal training ya dia am say Ghana players no bia enjene career ho omo dwene sika no ba benya no omo nya sika no wi na say omo tuma dane ade ya Patrick Achee do ni Benjamin Sare or Black Stars Heart of Oak per any goalkeepers and say any players no so omo yes ade ne bia mo ba so enso e wo ho ne enkosi yefo no so Kotoko CEO position no first to 10th media na ejabo na eja enya babedu na yehu Kotoko CEO position ni na say Nana Yaw Amponsah na lead race no na am say lobbying bi akoso bebe ma see no Fred Achee aba nkomo no gidigidi pa gidigidi in fact se yenimu baby na wasema ya papa board ni na ja tum senka Nana Yaw Amponsah na de ne bana so division bi akoso osoro wa che amo lobby tia Nana Yaw Amponsah nti yenhwe di AC but say am no ka say de Nana Yaw Amponsah any lady akura emfa say 85% a ne sa che say si yenemu na na kra so na AC wa enye me wanwa enso e wo ho kama me de ma on na sisi ne de em say so mehwe mpa de a o mehwe obia what each of them is bringing on the table. Each of them is bringing ebia idea ebia lucrative thing ebe boa Asante Kotoko ko no dewro afen so innovative skills and then player management yeah me pam coach bia CEO oba what say or na ideas near kama philosophy ni great what I say the vision what I say aims and then on be kika bombia on ba ma division near the bia nsi wa say eno ne ade a SMP4 eto omobo asena omutimi eyefa ho because Asante Kotoko na wo ho no sebi eso nti enti ma mefa siwa ochina wetimi na wakame they should solve all their different they should I mean make sure they reconcile solve every problem there before say omitimi announce CEO position because with regards to the current performance of Asante Kotoko, it is very abysmal. Yes, it is very abysmal. Nana Yaw Amponsah good, Nana Yaw Amponsah ebeyebi, but they shouldn't come with idea be say oba babeye. No. He should come with his own vision. I think say if he comes with his own vision and then the vision will help Kotoko, I think he will get supporters. I mean supporters now see almost say Nana Yaw Amponsah, if they are being appointed, if each of any of them is being appointed, and then no Juma just say a bro adrenaline so they were expecting now. I am not sure say they will still hate them or they will still say I won't pay myself near the dabi. And you know, and also I asema yadi to me na se no se achidie se na Amponsah nkomo ne kutwema ye ba be ka achi ho asem e wa hase. One of the most important news I've ever seen me share ma metiefo na mahwefo ina so timi hwe bi so and say Hams Obin will be the caretaker coach right now in the absence of coach and the dean and so the Prince ya also I say wako UK no. Senate Asante Kotoko players miensa na from so moko camp. Sisi no, if Asante Kotoko players miensa from so moko camp, then it means that Patrick Asiedu, Hubert Jewu, ene abetamu a free ma. Ese nyom replacement ebeshim. What you say? Team players, main team players be prayer. John Semu na prayer. What you say? And I feel so no. Yeah, per se ma yeah all offense a new players and another nkura you team no. Yeah more platform there so make me exhibit here because goals and nkura share our mo division yi na dey na me say anoden. Omo ne mpedifo na bo nya nkura no mo ne mpedifo na bo. What I say? That Anthony is it Anthony Jones was 14 goals. He should be given a chance. They can do it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.